So good news, I just heard the mailman leave, and I believe the package is in that mailbox, so let's take a look. Oh yes! So as you guys might remember, about a week ago, we put some LED bulbs in the headlights and the fog lights of the Sequoia, and we ran into some issues. So this is the package I was waiting for. It's from superbrightleds.com, and what it is it is a resistor for an H4 headlight bulb. So again, I ordered two, even though we only need one. I'll get into that later, but let's put this thing in. It goes between the factory harness and the bulb on the passenger side right here, and this is gonna fix all of our problems. So let's do it. All right, so we just need to find the connector in here. So as you can see, what we need to do is get this harness right here apart, and it's gonna go between these connectors. All right, let's go ahead and plug this thing in, see if it works. Dude, what in the... Okay, so that side's in. Let's go ahead and plug this side in here. Okay, we're good. Let's go ahead and turn these on, see if it works. All right, so we got it installed right there. Let's go ahead and shut the hood a little bit, turn the headlights on, and see if we're all good. And it looks like we're not all good. So we're only getting one fog light to light up. So there's two things I'm gonna look at. I'm gonna go ahead and look at this fog light back here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and look at the resistor. I think it's gonna be on one of those two things. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Okay, problem solved. Okay, and as you can see, this concludes the entire LED headlight fog light project. It's a wrap. So headlights work, fog lights work, high beam indicator works, fog light switch works. We're back. Shout out to superbrightleds.com for having that resistor. It was only $9, worked perfectly, couldn't be happier. The only thing left to do is I'm gonna go back to that same spot. We took those first clips that first night, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison of the old halogen bulbs, headlights and fog lights versus these new LEDs. So let's go take a look at that, and then on to the next project. Let's check them out. Oh, and there they are. All right, so that's the low beams and the fog lights, and here we got the high beams, and as you can tell, they are incredible. I mean, probably at least 4 or 5 times brighter than they used to be. So the LEDs are on in the headlights. We got the fog lights going. The output is incredible. I like the pattern. Couldn't be happier. So there it is, before and after. So the lights are absolutely great. It makes driving at night much easier. Can I just mention, it is absolutely freezing out here tonight. Now, for some people, 44 outside isn't too bad, but here in California, in Aptos specifically, that's cold. So I think these lights look incredible. I really couldn't be happier with them, and these aren't even an expensive set. This is a relatively cheap set of eBay headlights and fog lights, but these LEDs, it's just a huge improvement over halogen, especially with the reduced wattage needed and less heat. It's just LEDs are just a great thing. Anyways, so that's it. I'll show you guys a little before and after right now, but I highly recommend going and putting LEDs in everything you own. They're not going away anytime soon. LEDs are the new main light source. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Turn them on. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. There we go. There's the low beams with the fog lights, and here's the high beams. All right, and one last thing, don't forget to like and subscribe. A bunch of cool videos coming up. Thanks for watching.